this motherfucking Monday. Yo, 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 yo. All right, guys, what is up? What the flippin' shit and all right, guys, what up? Y'all know who it is. So today we're working on a 8-inch line. We're adding a riser to it and some other bullshit. But it is currently 7:39. I'm eating breakfast in the truck, the company truck. This is a company truck. It's a like older Chevy. It's a gas 6.0. I don't know why she puts mushrooms in this shit. I do not like mushrooms. Anyway, we're using this black face. Use my pancake. That's who we're working today. Up there. Where that mini X is going. But yeah. It shouldn't be too long. We go home today. Thanksgiving is this weekend, so I really wish we'd leave early today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Let me show you the POV. I am cracked out right now, guys. I am cracked the fuck out. I had pre-workout this morning because I was just dead. And then I had some coffee from the yard. But this isn't a really big company, but they pay really good, so I don't have to do anything. All I gotta do is show up. Show up, get in the truck, and drive to the location. So I like that. I don't have to supply anything. I don't have to nothing. I don't supply anything but my arm. That's it. So still on the gang train, baby. I'm excited because I'm gonna get to work out with my older brother Hector. He's coming into town. We're all gonna meet at well, obviously he lives in his house is in White House, but we're gonna get a fucking lift in, get jacked as fuck. Get fucking back, get fucking back. I hope these people don't fucking, I hope these people can't. Damn it, baby. Alright guys, I'm about to show you all the hole. I'm about to show you what the hole looks like right now. I got my hard hat on. My FR, you know what it is. This is what the machine. This is what I'll be welding today. 8-inch. Something like that. Good old SA200. Boat. This is a pretty clean little setup. For it being a company supplied rig, this thing's pretty sweet. Pancake with the goggles. Outlaw. Shout out to y'all. This thing is pimping. Yeah. I don't think I'll be welding anytime soon. Let's crank this puppy up. Let's fire this machine up so y'all can hear how beautiful this thing is. Beautiful, beautiful mornings out here. It's about feel good degrees. Yep. With the side of windy. Let's crank this puppy. Got my FR. They provided this. I didn't have to buy it. That was pretty cool. But they go get down in the hole. they said single hand and they provided the welding truck, I was expecting like a little Ford Ranger with a Bobcat in the back, not a full-blown welding rig. This thing's pretty sweet. I love this truck. I like it a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It's like the perfect little breakout setup. Break out and then keep it as your backup, you know. I like it. Have to go.
You only get to be young enough to care about that shit for a while in life, so fucking live it up.
Hell yeah, Derek. Thank you. Let's get it, baby. So this is going here. We'll weld it out, level it out, and then this one goes on top of it, just like that. And then weld the hell out of it. This is 8-inch, right, Joey?
Sir?
8-inch.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. All right.
I don't know what the wall is on it, but it's pretty thick.
It's pretty thick. It sounds good. All right, so I'm gonna level it out, clean it up, and tack, make sure everything's good, and then go ahead and weld it out. I'm on like 3rd gear on my machine. 3rd gear, and on the remote I'm on 35, 40, burning 60-10 with the remote. This is what I'm burning on. Probably might burn a little hot because it's not a root or anything. 40 should be good. Right. Okay. Clean up this spot. All my welding stuff's back in Tyler, so I ain't got a mud board, I ain't got nothing. .10, 1/8. It'll pull once I weld it out. It's in there. Now I'm using the 8010 pipeliners, the 5/16. I'm on 60 on the remote. think they said that the test is like 4 hours, so it's gonna sit under pressure. It's under 225 pounds of nitrogen, and it has to go on a graph. So before we continue, that test has to be over. But once that's done, we're gonna cut it, probably add a pup to it, and then tie it in down here. For now, I'm gonna sip on my protein food.
So it's your choice to put ads into your video.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Wow, I did not know that.
It depends on.
Always wondered about that.
It depends on how I'm feeling, how they're reacting, and if they're liking my shit.
So now I know these little.
Oh yeah, all the ads. They
pricks that load you down. I'm like, you motherfuckers.
Yeah, it's your option to put ads on it. You can put maybe just one ad at the beginning, or you can put probably like 3 or 4 throughout. It depends on how long the video is. You can't overload it, but yeah. If I haven't posted in a while, I won't put any ads on it.
And so that's why the people buy premium, so they don't have to watch any ads.
Yeah.
Setup here will be for. You just gotta make sure you got your measurements right. After you tap the main, you can get back out behind this valve where you can shut it in. Because if you can't shut it,
8010s, Pipeliner Arc 80s. I hadn't welded with these in a minute. My dad on the gate, the entryways, all he uses is these fucking 6010s.
No. Hey. Oh, you're fine. Don't worry about it.
Good. Bueno. How many pounds is in it right now? Just 20?
250.
Oh shit.
Straight to the valve, because the valve closed.
Trying to catch me sleeping. I believe you got it, sir.
What time is that test supposed to be over? Around 1?
Lunch.
Lunchtime?
9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30.
Where are we going after this?
Oh, we'll be here the rest of the day.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, we're not scared. We took a shower this morning. Who's scared of water like you?
Oh, that's pretty nice of Gina.
Said her neighbor.
Oh, they're like a little bit warm too.
Yeah, this thing's hot. It's insulated.
$75, sir.
Yeah. She gets it for free. I don't know if she wants some.
That's
Maybe. Alright, so as y'all saw, it just passed the test. I'm gonna go ahead and close that weep hole so they can go ahead and tap it. I really didn't need to put all this shit on to close the weep hole, but you never know. The inspector pulls up, I'm not wearing that far, I'm in trouble. Hell yeah. I knew that shit was gonna pass. Shit. Look at that. Yes sir. That's that little weep hole I got closed up. I'll tap it, do a little 1-2, bam. Stinger. Here's my rod. it. Hell yeah. Probably gonna clean up in here a little bit, pick up my rods and shit. I like keeping my stuff organized. So. Mudboard. This red dirt sucks ass. I fucking hate it. Buffing. That's it. I'm gonna put all this shit up in the truck. Miguel, ¿a dónde vamos? Acabando aquí. ¿A dónde vamos? Acabando aquí, ¿dónde vamos?
A la casa.
A la casa, baby. En YouTube.
¿YouTube?
Sí, agrégueme, hágame subscribe para que...
¿Eso lo vas a ver en YouTube?
Sí.
¿Pero antes de subirlos?
Oh, no, lo voy a ver en mi computadora. Tengo mi laptop. A lo mejor subo partes a TikTok. Porque de TikTok se brincan a YouTube. Got the paisley over here. I'm not gonna wear it because it's too fucking dirty here to wear this bullshit. Thought I was gonna be pipeline and all nice and clean. Hell no. I'm dirty as a motherfucker. Dirty as hell. Taco truck just pulled up back there, so probably gonna get some taquitos. Some taquitos. Huh? Guys, right now I'm watching Baki and that shit is fire. Let me tell y'all something. If you're not watching Baki, what are you doing with your life, bro? What are you doing? I don't know what Bailey packed me for lunch, but she didn't pack me shit, I don't think. Fucking, yeah. I'm gonna go get me some tacos after it clears. There's a lot of people filling in. Damn, never mind. I thought I had cash, I don't have cash. We're gonna have to eat what we got. You know if they probably don't take card, huh? They do?
You don't do.
I'm gonna go see if they take card.
We've got modern Mexicans around here, about those ain't no James.
I thought I had cash. I guess I didn't fucking bring it.
I'm gonna get a little more stroke on. Ooh, that's some titties. It's titties.
Titties.
You want to do you some measurements and fab you up a piece? You think you're good enough to fab it up out there? I mean, that's up to you. I'm going to leave that dog on you. Unless you tell me you need me to do it. If you tell me you need me to do it, then I don't need you.
No, I can do it. All done, baby.
Yeah, don't look at that. You look at this one. It's kind of decent. Not too shabby.
Alright. Let's see if it shoots. Hopefully should be good. This thing is hot. I like it, but it's too damn hot for today. Yesterday was cooler, so maybe I'm working more today. I don't know. Hell yeah.
Hey, let us know how that video turned out when you watch it back.
Alright, Joey. I will see you Monday.
Happy Thanksgiving, bud.
Jacob, I'll see you
man,
Monday.
take it easy, brother.
Miguel. Bye.
Let me grab my cup off.
Okay, yeah.
I got it.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Y'all be safe.
Yeah, thank you. Safe travels, man.
Thank you. I'll see y'all.
What, like 4 hours?
Yeah. 3.5, 4 hours.
About the same.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Alright, we'll see y'all. Woo! To the house. To the casita.
Yeah, I've been throwing down the whiskey. How to get my money back. need something you prove. Something that I'm used to.
Let's go to the house. Yeah, buddy! Whoa, we're gonna get a lift in with my brother.